again. Red and
Yellow.
and a bit more red and even more red mixed to make
Orangey red.
Oh, it's still duller than orange's ball. Oh no, we've made a mess of Orange's gym, and she'll be back soon.
That's all right. Let's play a tidying up game. We'll put these back in order. The redder ones down your end and the more yellowy ones at my end.
Ha! Exciting! Here we go. Oh, put that one there. Yes.
Yay! The place is tidy and we've got all the basketballs in order.
Orangey red, reddish orange, the orange we made.
Yellowish orange and orangey yellow.
Right on time, little rainbow.